So this is my Omega Seamaster 300. I bought this around 7 years ago. When I first bought it, I was a bit skeptical. How long will the rubber band last? Now, this has been my daily wear for 7 years. I can't really moan about the longevity, but at some point you've got to say, hang on a minute, you're taking the fucking piss. Okay, the watch is expensive. My strap broke, you can see there on my clasp. While I was on holiday, it gave up the ghost, which is fine. But a like-for-like rubber strap without the clasp, that's this silver bit here, sorry I'm trying to do this one-handed, is 310 quid. This is for a rubber fucking strap. Not platinum, not gold, a rubber strap. That's how much Omega want. So anyway, I fixed it. So what have I done? 1mm drill bit, needle, Gutman's 50 thread. And I think I've fixed this pretty good. I've gone through it, drilled the little holes by hand, millimetre hole. I've then threaded through it and done a buttonhole stitch on top. Totally comfortable on the back. I've gone through it 9 times. If you put 4 strands of this 50s together, you can't break it. It's that strong. So let's see how this holds up. But overall, I think that's a pretty good bush fix. And it saved me 310 quid. And incidentally, with that little clasp with the ank on, it's 360 quid for a rubber strap. So Omega, I think you need to get your act together. I could have bought a fake one for about 40 quid, but it'd look shit and it wouldn't have fit. This is still seamless. So I think that's a pretty good fit. Let me know what you think. And I fully understand you buy luxury goods, there is a product cost, don't say that. But I just feel that I'm getting my leg lifted and I don't want to pay 310 quid for a fucking rubber strap. Let me know what you think.